It's 10:48 p.m. A homeowner is on your website, wondering about price, pets, and whether you even bring supplies, and there's no one there to ask. So they leave. Most customers don't wait for business hours. Today, we fix that. A 24/7 AI chatbot for BrightHome Cleaning that answers instantly, captures the lead, and never sleeps. BrightHome's chatbot has 3 jobs: answer the common questions, capture the lead, and hand off anything sensitive to a human. The goal isn't to replace customer service, it's to answer the obvious questions faster, so a curious visitor becomes a booking instead of a bounce. Step 1. Build the FAQ base. Start with the 10 questions customers ask most: pricing, service area, availability, deep cleans, move-out cleaning, pets, supplies, insurance, cancellation, and booking. Then let AI write the answers. Prompt: write friendly, concise answers to these 10 questions for BrightHome Cleaning. That becomes your chatbot's knowledge base. Step 2. Write the greeting. It should be helpful, not fake. A good bot opens by telling the visitor exactly what it can help with: services, pricing, availability, and booking. Prompt: create a chatbot greeting and lead capture message for a cleaning business website. Step 3. Capture the lead. When someone asks about pricing or availability, the bot collects the basics: name, email, service type, zip code, and preferred timing. Just like that, a website visitor becomes a real lead in your list. Step 4. The human handoff. A chatbot should never trap the customer. If they ask about refunds, complaints, unusual jobs, or exact pricing, the bot offers a talk to a person button. Prompt: write a human handoff message for when a customer asks a sensitive question. Before it goes live, test it. Ask 10 real questions and check every answer. Is it accurate, friendly, and safe? A bad chatbot answer loses trust faster than having no chatbot at all. So get it right before you publish. Your website shouldn't go silent after hours. Start simple. 10 FAQs, 1 lead form, and a human handoff. If this helped, subscribe to TecPartner. Tomorrow, we clean up the money side with AI bookkeeping. See you there.